Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing my all-time favorite smoked turkey recipe, and it's so easy that even you can do it. Yes, you. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna be brining our turkey, and I've got 2 gallons of water. And the reason I have 2 gallons of water is because I'm starting with a 17-pound turkey. If you guys are gonna be smoking up a 10 to 12-pound turkey, you can get away with 1 gallon of water and 1 bottle of the brine that I'm gonna be using. So the brine that I'm using is this lemon thyme turkey bath from Sweetwater Spice Company. I used this last year, and I gotta tell you, that turkey came out so good that I'm gonna make another one this year. So I've got 2 gallons of water, so I'm using 2 bottles of brine. So just dump the contents of the bottle into your water. This smells absolutely delicious already. Thanksgiving is almost here, and it is turkey time. All right, here's bottle number 2. All right, so as you can see, there's still a lot of brine left inside the bottle. So just grab a little bit of water, put the lid back on your bottle and give it a good shake, and dump that into your brine. Nice clean bottle. All right, to the brine, I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of kosher salt. Again, if you're only using 1 gallon, use half a cup of salt. So toss that in there. Grab a whisk and give it a good mix. All right, our brine is nice and mixed up. So next, grab your bird, breast side down, and put it inside your brine bucket. Just like that, and fill up the cavity with your brine. And that's gonna hold your turkey under your brine just like that. So the recommendation for the brine is 1 hour per pound. So this is gonna sit inside my fridge for 17 hours. We will see you guys tomorrow. All right, so the turkey has been brining for 17 hours. Just gonna take it out of the brine, and I'm gonna rinse it off really well to remove some of that excess salt. But I do wanna show you the nice color of the turkey. Check it out. It has a yellowish color. That's nothing but flavor. So I'm gonna rinse this off, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got the turkey completely rinsed off. Now there's a few things that I like to trim on the turkey. First off, I don't like this extra skin that they tuck the legs in, so I'm gonna take that off, and I also like to smoke the turkey tail separate. So let me just move the legs aside here and cut this excess skin off. Just like that. And I'm also gonna take the turkey tail off and smoke that separate. The other thing I like to trim off is all this excess skin around the neck area. Now you want to leave some of the skin because this skin will actually rise up on the turkey. So I'm just going to take this and trim it off. All right, so the next step is just grab some paper towels and make sure your turkey skin is really nice and dry. So these wings, we're going to be tucking those in, but not until we rub them down, okay? All right, so I've got the surface of our turkey completely dried up. Now it's time to rub it down. I'm gonna be using this Cattleman's Grill Blanchetta rub, and I gotta tell you, there is nothing better on turkey than this rub right here. Get yourself some. So I'm gonna flip the turkey and pat it down. Always keep some paper towels so you can keep patting the turkey down and also your work area. All right, so let's rub this turkey down. Put a generous amount of this rub all over your bird. And there's no need to pat it down, just apply it and let it go. All right, so before I flip this turkey over, I'm gonna grab this rack right here. This is what I'm gonna be using to smoke my turkey on. Now these racks usually have legs, as you see right here, okay? Now just a pro tip, smoke the turkey with these legs up. That way you can move your turkey around inside your smoker. Now flip your turkey over, and the water that's in your pan is not gonna remove that rub. All right, season the top of your turkey. Grab the armpit of the turkey, grab that wing, the leg, everything. Now, one thing you want to do with this rub is give it a good shake in between applications. Let's turn this turkey around and season this other side. You also want to make sure that you put some rub inside the cavity of your turkey. Just like that. All right, so we're going to be tucking our wings underneath the breast of our turkey. That's real simple. Just grab your turkey wing and flip it on the bottom of your turkey, and it will stay just like that. Get this other one done. The very last thing is just to tie up our turkey legs. Just cross them just like this. Grab some butcher's twine and tie a simple knot. Just like that. All right, so the turkey is ready for the smoker. I've got my Yoder Y640 running at 425 degrees. I'll see you guys outside. All right, so I've got my Yoder Y640 pellet smoker running at 425 degrees. I am using Jealous Devil pellets. So let's load up our turkey. All right, this turkey is going on the bottom rack with the breast pointed towards that exhaust stack. Just like that. All right, so I've got the probes inside the turkey. Probe number 1 is on the thickest part of the thigh, and probe number 2 is right in the middle of that turkey breast. So I'm gonna let this smoke for an hour and a half, and I'll bring you guys back at that point. Stay tuned. All right, so an hour and 45 minutes later, and we are already sitting at 141 degrees on our breast and 160 degrees on the thigh. So this turkey is almost done. So I melted some butter and put in a squeeze bottle right here. I'm just gonna slowly drip some of this butter all over our turkey. This is gonna help give the turkey a really nice color. Put some on your legs. Just let it drip all over your turkey. Get some on the wing. Get that thigh. Get it everywhere. And this is unsalted butter, okay? All right, just like that. I'm thinking another 20 minutes and this turkey will be ready. We'll see you guys inside. All right, so the turkey is ready and the total cook time was 2 hours and 25 minutes. Now at the 1 hour and 45 minute mark, I did rotate the rack inside my smoker just to even out the cooking on our turkey. So I do have my Dell Strong carving set right here. If you guys are interested in buying this, check out the links below and get a nice discount. So let's start with the breast right here, my favorite part of the turkey. Oh yeah. All right, let me just take a small wedge of turkey breast off. Super juicy. Look at that. Nice little smoke ring on there as well. And let's take off a piece of this leg right here. Look at that juiciness. Yeah, buddy. I'm also gonna take a slice off for my daughter because she absolutely loves smoked turkey. All right, let's give it a taste. All right, let's start with a piece of the turkey breast first. I gotta tell you, that lemon thyme brine really worked its way through the entire turkey. This is absolutely delicious and so full of flavor. All right, you gotta feed the camera person. What you think, baby? Like it? All right. Now for some of that dark meat with some skin from the leg. Here we go. I'm telling you, that brine and this Cattleman's Grilled ranchero rub are a match made in heaven. This is absolutely delicious. All right, so one of the questions that I often get when smoking a turkey is if you can smoke a turkey at a low temperature. Now you can, but your skin is not gonna be as good as this. In fact, you'll end up with a more rubbery skin. Now you can start at a low temperature, maybe 250, but definitely crank up your smoker to 425 degrees and you're gonna end up with some delicious skin like we did on this turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed this turkey video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.